Chapter 31 Paragraph Writing. A paragraph is a number of sentences written of a selected topics and developed on a one central theme. The institutional characteristics of a paragraph are as follows. Unity. A paragraph should deal with a single thought which is usually introduced by the lead sentence that first sentence of the paragraph order. The ideas expressed in a paragraph should be logically arranged and well connected with one another. Variety. A paragraph deals with only one theme, therefore by variety what it is meant is the variety of points related to the topic which make up the paragraph. The process of writing a paragraph. Choose a topic that you like. जो भी आपको टॉपिक पसंद है वो आप लाइक कर सकते हो, उसको सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो. वन ऑन रॉक पेपर्स, एक प्लेन पेपर, जॉट डाउन ऑल द पॉइंट्स रिलेटेड टू द टॉपिक दैट यू कैन थिंक ऑफ. पिक द रिलेवेंट पॉइंट एंड अरेंज them in a sequence that this point will act as the outline of the paragraph. Now frame sentence around this point and decide a proper lead sentence that will suggest. Now frame sentence around this point and decided a proper lead sentence that will suggest main theme from other sentence that develops the central themes. Close the paragraph with sentence which is very impressive and sums of what the entire paragraph conveys. Some example of paragraphs. Rain. I love rain. When I was young, I loved it a rain day because I could stay at home and enjoy the pitter patter the raindrops on my window. I will often step outside my house, and if my mother was busy in the kitchen, I would get drenched. My mother scolded me, but I enjoyed getting wet even now when it rains. Refuse to carry my umbrella or my raincoat and enjoy a shower under the open sky. Such activities have the side effects too. After getting wet in the rain, I often start sneezing and then fall sick for 2 days. I know mother does not like a rain because she thinks rain makes me ill. But even during the two days that I spent home lying on my bed in fever, I stare at the sky. When it turns grey, lighting the arrival of rain, I smile. That moment my mother usually comes and gives me steam. Look at close the windows and then when the rain starts and tiny droplets of water clinging to my window's pane, then nothing is visible through it. I like to get from my bed and walk towards the window. I always enjoy spectacles of a rainy day from my windows because I just love rain. Physical exercise. Physical exercise makes our body fit and keeps certain diseases away from us. In today's world, जो अभी के टाइम है उसमें है ना, मतलब मोस्ट ऑफ अगर हमें फिज़िकल एक्सरसाइज हमारी बॉडी को नीड होती ही है तभी हम जो बीमारियां हैं, डिजीज़ हैं, उससे दूर रह सकते हैं. एक्सरसाइज हैज़ बिकम नेसेसरी बिकॉज चिल्ड्रन लाइक अस either spend time in front of the television or the कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन. मोस्ट ऑफ बच्चे आजकल के क्या करते हैं कि उनका टाइम ज़्यादातर वहीं पे ही जाता है, कंप्यूटर की स्क्रीन पे और टेलीविज़न पे. लैक ऑफ फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज लीड्स ऑब्जेक्टिव्स अमॉन्ग चिल्ड्रन विच अफेक्ट्स देम मेंटलिटी एंड more physically. It gives rise to ailments such as diabetes, heart disease and high blood pressure of a very वेरी यंग एज, बहुत कम उम्र में ये सारी बीमारियां आजकल हो जाती हैं। उसका रीज़न ही ये है कि फिज़िकल एक्सरसाइज कम होती है एंड बैठने वाला सिटिंग वर्क ज़्यादा रहता है। मोरेवर कॉम्पिटिशन्स ऑफ फास्ट फूड लाइक बर्गर एंड पिज़्ज़ाज and has added to this problem to obesities and increase weight. Hence, encouraging children to be physically active is necessary. This means that physical exercise makes our body fit and keeps certain disease away from us. In today's world, physical exercise has become a necessity because the children like us either spend time in front of the televisions or the कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन। आजकल के टाइम पे बच्चे जो क्या करते हैं कि कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे यानी टेलीविज़न पे ज़्यादा देते हैं ध्यान, एंड फिज़िकल एक्सरसाइज उनकी होती नहीं है। सो उनकी बॉडी में बहुत सारी डिजीज़ हो जाती हैं, बीमारियां फैलती हैं। लैक ऑफ फिज़िकल एक्सरसाइज लीड टू ऑब्सिटीज अमोंग चिल्ड्रन विच अफेक्ट्स मेंटली एंड physically. It gives rise to ailments such as diabetes, heart disease and high blood pressure at a very young age. Competitions of fast food like a burger, pizzas has added to these problems or obesities, increase weight. Hence, encouraging children to be physically active is necessary. This means that school authorities and parents should encourage children and to participate in activities which involve physical exercises such as swimming, sports or even dance. Today, if different forms of physical exercise are known as the most common being yoga. Yoga not only helps in keeping our body fit, but also helps one achieving better the children the harmful effects of weight gain. This would make them more inclined towards doing physical exercise. Children should also know the advantage of physical exercise. Should make them a part of their life, just like walking up the stairs rather than using lifts. And soon it is the moral duty of elders to the children road to the healthy life. Only healthy children can become healthy citizens of tomorrow. The night before my result was announced, it was the night before my annual result was announced. I could not sleep. Whenever I closed my eyes, I would see the mistakes I had made in my maths papers. I was upset and nervous because I had lied to my mother and that my exam went off well. मैंने अपनी मम्मी से झूठ बोला था कि मेरी एग्ज़ाम अच्छी गई है, बट आई हैव मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा टेंशन हो रही है, मेरा रिज़ल्ट डिक्लेयर होने वाला है. हाउ आई विजिट, आई हैड नेवर लाइड टू माई मदर. Soon I fell asleep and was lost in a dream. I called myself returning from school, carrying my report card in my hand. As I opposite the gate of my house, I could see my mother waiting impatiently for my result. My heart sank. I ran towards her slowly and showed my report card to her. My heart punched as my mother took the card. Me happily, I should show the color of her face change as she went through my marks. She then lifted her eyes woke up. It was 1 a.m. in the morning. I have to tell her the truth, I said to myself. I went to my mother's room and knocked at the door. She came out and confused to her that I had lied to her about my exam, and in reality my maths paper did not go well. My mother smiled and hugged me because she was happy I had told her the truth. मेरी मम्मा बहुत खुश हुई क्योंकि मैंने उन्हें सच बता दिया था कि मेरा मैथ का पेपर अच्छा नहीं गया. Then I went to my room, relieved, and did not worry about the results since I had told my mother to the truth. अब मुझे कोई ज़्यादा टेंशन नहीं है क्योंकि मैंने अपनी मम्मी को सच बता दिया है कि मेरा रिजल्ट नॉट वेल आने वाला है. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the great virtues and considered to be the noblest quality of man. An honest man is always announced. On the other hand, and dishonest man, no matter how successful he is in life, he is always distracted. Light has to live his life in fear since any day is distorted can be exposed, and whenever he has earned in life can be lost within a day. This fear destroy his peace of mind and happiness in the true sense. On the contrary, an honest man has nothing to fear. Whenever he has entered in life on his own through honest means it is valued by all. He has nothing to hide and does not owe anything to anybody. An honest man is lightly respected and trusted. Therefore, we should cultivate the habit of honesty right from the childhood, that we are successful and shine in life. Pollution has now emerged as a major threat to our natural resources. It is affecting our water supply, the air and breathe, the soil under our feet, and ultimately the atmosphere. There are mainly three kinds of populations: air, water and noise. Air pollution is caused by the emissions of harmful gases and factories and vehicles, leading to breathing disorders. It affects children by making them prone to diseases such as asthma and bronchitis. Similarly, the chemicals from factories contaminate the water resource and make water unfit. Drinking, such as communicated water, cannot support any underwater life either, thus destroying the balance. Another kind of population which affects as advertisedly is noise pollution. It is caused by the loudspeakers and horns of vehicles. This leads to disease like high blood pressure, head disease, and the harmful chemicals from factories increases pesticides polluted the soil. Also, to control such as populations, government has taken many initiatives in order to make this institution successful. People have to responsibility. We should keep the population level of our vehicles under control, avoid continuous rivers, and should not make unnecessary noise. If these steps and taken, population's level could be brought under the help your neighbors. Richard Whitley said, "A man is called selfish not for pursuing his own good, but for neglecting of neighbors. No man is an island. We always interacted and share a lot with neighbors, relatives, and Friends, in the modern world where life is hectic, we should make an extra effort to reach out, help whenever necessary, visiting each other on birthday, anniversary, or festivals, or small greetings. Sick or in troubles, sharing special disease or dishes auxiliary and executing exchanging small gifts are also thoughtful greeters, such as a relationship will add to our happiness and help develop a positive environmental all around. The above saying holds true for all us as individuals and as citizens of our country too. We as nationals should help our neighboring countries at the time of natural calamities like food and earthquake, and show our countries should make a conscientious effort to develop friendly ties with them. This will help us build a better world.